Okay, we're gonna do the test flight of the Flite Test Mini Scout. This is a plane that my wife and I built last night, and I've been excited about building this. We've had it for a couple weeks, we just haven't had time to build it, and we finally got it done, so we're excited to try it out. We have it on a 2-cell 800 milliamp battery, and I did a little different prop. We have a 5x3x4, and so we're going to find out how this does. Hopefully it flies. I think it's going to do really good. I'm just super excited about this. This is our first flight test plane, and we're going to have tons more. So we're both excited about getting this one in the air and seeing how it performs. Okay, let's see what happens. Flying good. It's maybe a little tail heavy. I'm gonna bring it in. I'm gonna do some quick tuning on it. We broke the prop. Alright, we're gonna try a different prop. So we switched props to a 6x5.5, so it's kind of a fast prop, but we'll see how it goes. The other prop did work fairly decent. I ended up breaking it on the landing, so let's see what happens with this one. Oh yeah. This is way faster. Yeah, I'm running at like 30% throttle here, maybe. So this prop is definitely a little too fast for this, I feel like. But the plane's going good. Like, I just have a little bit of down trim, so I might actually have to move the battery forward a little bit to get the CG a little farther forward. But actually, I might bring it down and see if I can do that. Well, it wasn't a perfect landing. Looks like I have the battery as far forward as it'll go, so let's give it another flight. Definitely flies good, like not touching the controller there. There's full throttle. It could definitely move. It could really go pretty fast for a little plane. That prop can do really good on this one. Alright, let's try full throttle again. Yep, it's definitely pretty fast. So I have the rates turned down to about 70%. So it's just I could definitely tell that it keeps trying to go nose up, so that could be partly with the prop. It's just kind of aggressive and it's throwing it up. But see, that's no hands right there. It does good. That's about 30% of throttle, and that feels pretty comfortable. stable though. It's really stable. It does good. No problems with the loops, not even a little bit. It has way more than enough power. Flies pretty slow, I like it. So this is on the 2-cell. I honestly think that don't need more than 2-cell with this setup, especially with this prop. I'm probably going to put a slower prop on it just to make it a little bit more flyable. It's like anything over half throttle, it's just a little bit too much. Even approaching like 50% just feels like it's a little bit too much. This thing feels a little bit better as a slow flyer, but also some of that to me, because I'm still learning, and obviously this is a new plane to me, so I'm trying to figure out how it flies. So I'm not trying to push it too hard, but I'm really enjoying this plane so far. It's just so chill. There we go. So that's, I think it got it just about perfectly trimmed out right there. That's our 5-minute timer. I think we're going to get quite a bit more time out of it, especially flying at this low throttle. That's really good. I feel like if I just bank it just a little bit and just let it go, it just flies itself. Like, I'm not even touching the controller, it's just doing its thing. And this is without any kind of stabilizing or anything. That's just the plane. I don't even have to touch the controls. I'm just gonna stand here and watch it fly. Alright, I better turn a little bit. So this is the first time I've ever flown 3 channels. So we just have rudder and elevator and throttle, and it's really simple, and I kind of like it. It does really good. I'm just like super liking flying this thing. It's so chill and relaxed. I love that I don't even have to touch the throttle. I bumped it up just a little bit, but like this thing will fly pretty slow. Let's actually see how slow we can go here. Pretty slow. Not that great of a landing, but we're flying pretty slow. That was awesome. It's just so peaceful to fly as long as you stay out of the water. Like, it feels just so peaceful. It's nice. I feel a little squirrely when you get into the throttle, but otherwise it's pretty good. I think I'm going to mess with the Expo a little bit more. And maybe do some more slight tuning. But otherwise it feels pretty good.